And now let's actually call this txt animal power dot set text. And as you can see, we have animals power array here, as you can see here. So we can actually call that array here. So first of all, I need to refer to the name of this old txt animal power value plus animals power sub position. Okay, txt animal speed dot set text old txt animal speed value plus animals speed. As you can see here, we have this array here, which is of type integer array, as you can see, and sub position. So now let's actually run our project again and see what happens. So as you can see here, now our application is actually running on this emulator, and now we can see these values here. Okay, name of the animal bear, animal power 200, and animal speed 50. So as you can see here, we actually created these arrays, and we actually assigned these values to the array respectively. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. For example, bear, the power is 200 and the speed is 50. Okay, and you can actually see the other animals here. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. And let's actually do something when the user clicks on one of these items inside of this customized list view. Okay, so here, as you can see, let's actually go back inside this custom listview.java file, and inside of this getView method here, I can actually call, as you can see here, we have this view here. Okay, now I can actually call this view dot set onClick listener. Okay, now we want to create an anonymous inner class. Okay, new onClick listener. So just select this method here and then press on enter key here. Okay, so as you can see here, this block of code here, okay, is gonna actually create an anonymous, okay, inner class. Okay, so we can see that class. Okay, this is actually anonymous, and that class is gonna actually implement the onClick listener interface. Okay, so because that class implements this interface, okay, we need to that class needs to actually implement this method too. So that's why you can see this block of code as it is right here. Okay, that's why we need to implement this method here. So inside of this onClick method, I can put in my own implementations here. So inside of this method, I'm gonna actually paste in a line of code, and then I'm gonna explain to you what's going on here. So as you can see here, I created a toast object. I referred to the name of this toast class dot make text, and here I actually specified as an argument the context. Okay, so I declared this context, as you can see here in our class context, and here, as you can see inside of our onClick method, we can see this context. Okay, and here for the second argument, we need to specify the text that we want to show to the user. And for the third argument, we need to actually specify the duration of the text that we want to show to the user. And then we need to call the show method on this method in order to actually show this text to the user. Okay, so let's actually run our project again and see what happens. So as you can see, our application is running on this emulator. So if I actually click on one of these items, let's see what happens. So it says name of the animal bird, name of the animal cow. Okay, and here, as you can see, I am getting the value of this txt animal name. Okay, so I can just click on this, name of the animal horse. Okay, I can put in other values here. So I could just put in some two double quotes here, /n. Okay, so I didn't actually concatenate these two values together. And here I could just put a plus operator here. I could just refer to the name of this txt animal power dot get text, and then again I could actually put in a plus operator, two double quotes, /n, new line character, plus operator, txt animal speed dot get text, as you can see here. Now let's actually run our project again and see what happens. So as you can see, our application is running on this emulator. So if I click on this item here, as you can see, it says name of the animal bird, and as you can see, we can see power and speed. So here I could just change this length underline short to length underline long. Let's run our project again. So here, as you can see, again, our application is running. And if I actually click on this first item here, it says name of the animal bear, animal power 200, and animal speed 50. So here, name of the animal cat, animal power 50, animal speed 60. So for example, tiger, animal name, tiger, power 220, and speed 100. Lion, and you can see these values here. So hopefully that makes sense. And let's actually go back inside this customized ListView.java file here. And I think that's enough for this application. And you can actually create your own customized ListView and bind that ListView with this ListView here. So thank you very much for watching. And if you have any questions, please post the discussion in the course, and then I'll do my best to answer all of your questions. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.